Dear friends, welcome to PAI's GURUKUL Career Cosmos. Here is an opportunity for the candidates who are dreaming to pursue the teacher education programs. The admissions are open for various teacher education programs of Regional Institute of Education. The National Council of Educational Research and Training NCERT, New Delhi, is an autonomous organization set up in 1961 by the Government of India, Ministry of Education, to assist and advise the central and state governments on policies and programs for qualitative improvement in school education and teacher education. The 8 constituent units of NCERT are located in the different parts of the country. The applications are invited online from the eligible applicants for admission into various teacher education programs. B.Sc.B.Ed of 4 years, B.A.B.Ed 4 years, M.Sc. Education, B.Ed and M.Ed run under the Regional Institutes of Education. Please note, the online application form is available with effect from 20th May 2021 up to 30th June 2021. Please note the website www.cee.ncert.gov.in. The same website and other descriptions you can obtain from the description box of this YouTube. Common entrance examination will be conducted at various centers across the country on 18th July 2021. For more details, you can visit the same website cee.ncert.gov.in. The online registration and submission of the application form will be active up to 30th June. You need to download the admit card up to from 10th July to 18th July. The entrance examination will be held on 18th July 2021. Post that, you have got a various last dates for the submission of qualifying examination marks. The result will be declared on 1st August 2021, and even the results of B.Ed and M.Ed will be declared on 5th August 2021. This podcast is brought to you by PAI's GURUKUL Career Cosmos for the benefit of would-be teachers. All the best. Be good, do good. Good day, take care, and thank you.